Charging points play important role in mobile phone repair. Hello guys, welcome back to Vitex Communication channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to talk about charging point in mobile repair. What charging point are, how to detect a faulty charging point, type of charging point, and the definition of charging ports in your mobile phone. If you haven't subscribed, please try and do that. Help us to go far in our channel. So charging point are part of a mobile phone or a mobile component that enables your phone to charge. That's what charging point is all about. What are the functions of charging point? With the help of charging point, your phone can be charged directly with your charger. And with the help of a good charging point, you can do file transfer either from your phone to your system or your laptop, or from your laptop to your phone through a good charging port. Then now, what are the signs of faulty charging point in a mobile repair? So I'm going to outline those signs of faulty charging port, so that as an engineer, when you notice this one, you will know that your charging point is bad. 1. Your phone will not charge. After changing different charger, your phone will refuse to charge. Even when your battery is good, your phone will still refuse to charge. It shows that your charging point is bad. The next one, it will be doing partial charging. It will charge, it will remove, it will charge, it will remove. Know that your charging point is having problem. The next one, your phone will not be adding percent, especially when your charging port is being covered by sand, oil or water. So that will make your phone not to charge fast. And again, it will make your phone to be connecting and removing. Your phone will not be charging steadily. So when you notice all this, just know that your phone charging point is bad. You just need to replace it. Then what are the type of charging point? We have many type of charging point. I'll just outline some here. 1, we have the V3 charging point. These charging point are normally found in this old Tecno and Itel phone. They can be used as a earphone port, and they can be used to charge phone. That's what we call the V3 charging point. We have the 2-pin. Some of the phones that come with those 2-pin charging point will have the Itel, some Tecno, or even Max phone. Those button Max phone, they come with 2-pin. Even the Itel 2162. Then we have 4-pin. 4-pin are these flat charging point. Usually the engineer usually call them P5 charging point. They have 4 legs, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. We have the Type-C charging point, mostly found in the Tecno Phantom, in the Samsung and other Android phone. We still have the iPhone charging port. These are charging ports found in iPhone, Apple, or that big iPhone. So that is just the simple thing we are going to discuss in today's video. I hope you love what you are watching. If that is the case, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smash the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. See you in my next video. Bye. Lots of love. Don't forget to follow our official Instagram handle at official Vitex. It will be showing on your screen there. Thanks for doing that. See you in my next video. Bye.